Welcome back to another M&S Food Fresh Market update. Chris and I are by Loch Linney on the beautiful west coast of Scotland where they produce this wonderful salmon. What are you doing for us today?
Today we're cooking up my sticky soy salmon.
Oh, can't wait.
We'll get started with the marinade. We've got some grated ginger going in, grated garlic, soy sauce, good spoonful of honey goes in, sweetness from the honey, saltiness from the soy, zest and juice of half a lemon as well. We're just going to give that a stir. It smells great and we haven't even really done anything yet. M&S salmon fillet going into the marinade. Pan on a medium heat. Lay your salmon fillets in because,
I just got a waft of amazingness.
I've got to say, Scottish salmon, side of the loch, really doesn't get any better than this. And then to serve with that, M&S, sugar snap peas and baby corn, or just use whatever your family prefer. Good drizzle of our sauce, a little bit of chilli.
Just tastes amazing.
This is not just any salmon. This is my M&S sticky soy salmon with a bit of steamed veg.
Join us next week for another M&S Food Fresh Market update from Nottinghamshire.